So, why do I stop sharing my personal plans, yung mga goals mo sa ibang tao? Again, yung mga friends mo, family members mo will not always support you with your bigger dreams kasi nga again, iba-iba tayo ng mga pananaw sa buhay. Like for example, sa akin yung pag-move ko sa Canada, wala talaga nakakaalam. And then yung close family ko lang talaga yung nakakaalam. And nalaman pa nila yon nung na-approve na ako. So hindi ko talaga as in sinishare yung mga big plans, mga dreams ko. Kasi most of us, what we tend to do is we overshare our blessings or our dreams with other people kasi our intention is to help them. Pero again, may mga iba na hindi ka naman talaga nila sinusuportahan or nakikimarites lang naman sila. So, if there's someone, around you that do not add value into your life, I don't think you have to